Angel Falls, located in Venezuela's Canaima National Park, holds the distinction of being the highest uninterrupted waterfall in the world. Here are some key facts and information about this magnificent natural wonder. 1. Height. Angel Falls stands at an awe-inspiring height of approximately 979 meters, 3,212 feet, with a total drop of 807 meters, 2,648 feet. The height is so significant that the water doesn't reach the base of the waterfall in a single stream and breaks into a misty spray long before reaching the ground. 2. Origin. The waterfall is fed by the Churun River, which originates from the Auyantepui mountain, one of the many tabletop mountains, tepuis, in the region. The tepuis are part of the ancient geological formation of the Guiana Shield, a massive area covering Venezuela, Guyana, Suriname, and parts of Brazil and Colombia. 3. Discovery. Angel Falls was discovered in 1933 by American aviator James "Jimmy" Angel while he was searching for a valuable ore bed. Upon his discovery, the waterfall was named after him as a tribute to his remarkable find. 4. Indigenous name. The waterfall's original name in the local Pemon language is Karapakupai Meru, which translates to waterfall of the deepest place or waterfall of the highest point. The Pemon people are the indigenous inhabitants of the region and have revered the falls for centuries. 5. Isolation. The remote location of Angel Falls contributes to its allure and makes it somewhat challenging to access. To reach the falls, visitors typically take a flight from Ciudad Bolivar to Canaima, followed by a river trip and then an adventurous hike through the jungle. 6. Flow. The flow of water over Angel Falls can vary significantly depending on the season and weather conditions. The waterfall tends to be at its most impressive during the rainy season, May to November, when the flow is strongest. During the dry season, the flow can reduce to a mere trickle. 7. Tourism. Despite its remote location, Angel Falls has become a popular destination for adventure travelers and nature enthusiasts. Guided tours are available to experience the breathtaking views of the falls, and some tours even offer opportunities for swimming in the pools at the base of the waterfall. 8. Conservation. Canaima National Park, which encompasses Angel Falls, was designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1994. This status helps protect the unique natural environment and ensures the preservation of the falls and the surrounding rainforest. Angel Falls is a testament to the raw beauty of nature, and its towering presence in the Venezuelan landscape makes it a must-see destination for anyone seeking awe-inspiring natural wonders.